the concept of God in Hinduism. If you ask a common Hindu that how many gods does he believe in? Some may say 3, some may say 100, some may say 1,000, while others will say 33 crores, 330 million. But if you ask a learned Hindu who is well versed with the scriptures, he will tell you that the Hindus should believe and worship only one God. But the common Hindu, he believes in a philosophy known as pantheism. Pantheism means that everything is God. The sun is God, the moon is God, the tree is God, the human being is God, the snake is God. What we Muslims believe, that everything belongs to God. Everything is God's. G-O-D with an apostrophe, yes. Everything belongs to God. The sun belongs to God, the moon belongs to God, the tree belongs to God, the human being belongs to God, the snake belongs to God. So the major difference between the common Hindu and the common Muslim is, the Hindu says, everything is God. We Muslims say, everything is God's. G-O-D with an apostrophe S. If we can solve this difference of apostrophe S, the Hindus and the Muslims will be united.